Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Modern bathroom design ideas aim to create a harmonious blend of functionality and aesthetics in today's life spaces characterized by clean lines and minimalism. These offers bathroom employ neutral color palettes to convey a sense of serenity and spaciousness. Sleek fixtures and fittings, including floating vanities and wall-mounted elements, enhance the modern look while optimizing floor space. Large mirrors and frameless glass shower enclosures add to the illusion of openness and brightness. Natural materials such as wood and stone provide warmth and texture, balancing the minimalist design. Smart technology finds its place in modern bathroom, offering convenience and energy efficiency. Geometric patterns and efficient storage solutions create visual interest and organizational appeal, while indoor plants introduce a touch of nature and tranquility. Together, these elements conclaves into modern bathroom spaces that cater to contemporary lifestyle with style and practicality. Efficiency is also a key consideration in modern bathroom design, with energy efficient fixtures and water saving technologies contributing to sustainability. The incorporation of geometric patterns in tiles or wall decor adds a contemporary focal point, infusing character into the space. Ample storage solutions, often discreetly integrated, keep the bathroom organized without compromising the clean and minimalistic aesthetic. The piece of indoor plants not only introduce a touch of nature but also promotes a sense of well-being and relaxation in the modern bathroom. In some, modern bathroom design ideas emphasize a balance between form and function, offering homeowners a space that is not only visually appealing but also highly practical and conducive to both rejuvenation and daily routines. Thanks for watching. Must watch, like, and subscribe Interior Designs channel.